Finding a student apartment in Germany can be challenging. So here are a few tips or insights you can use when you go for apartment hunting. These are the few portals which you can use to search and apply for apartments. Apart from these portals, you can also reach out to student communities, WhatsApp groups, or Facebook groups where the sole purpose is to find an apartment. Make sure to verify the ad and the sources before applying to avoid scams. Oh, also make sure that your accommodation is applicable for registration. When applying for accommodation, send out a message about yourself, why you're coming to Germany, which university you're enrolling at, and also proof of funds you have with which you can pay your rent. This can be covered by just showing your blocked account details. This helps if you send the message in both German and English. Request for an apartment viewing, and if you're not in Germany, you can request for an online appointment. Get to know your landlord or your potential roommates and make sure all the details about the rent payment, the date, the bills, and how the process goes is clear in the beginning. And don't give up, keep applying, you will find your accommodation in no time. Stay tuned for more information with Coracle.